This is how to correctly use a tuple in Python. Now, tuples in Python are pretty interesting because they are actually immutable data structures. And by immutable, we mean that we cannot change the elements once they have been placed inside. For example, if I wanted to change the second element here from the value of 2 to a 3, if I went ahead and ran my script, you'll notice I have a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. And this is because once we declare what elements are going to reside within a tuple, it is not possible to change them. Now, this is actually very useful when working with functions. For example, let's say I have this dummy function here that returns the values of 1 and 2. Well, if I assigned this to a single variable here, you'll notice that even though I have two values being returned, I'm only assigning it to a single variable. Thus, a tuple is going to be returned because Python really wants to make sure that the values that are returned by our function are never going to be altered. And to illustrate this fact, if I went ahead and printed out the type of my answer, even though the numbers 1 and 2 are integers, you'll notice that the answer itself is actually a tuple. However, if I went and printed out the answer, you'll notice that indeed a tuple is returned with the elements 1 and 2 being placed inside.